Marketing your business isn't easy. There is so much content to create. Engaging social media posts, kick-ass print collateral, highly converting ads, and so much more. But at least you can get help, right? Wrong. You delegate, outsource, do it yourself, and after hours of wasted resources, everything looks disjointed and your customers are left unsure about your brand. But take a look at this. Go to Desygner.com, choose your industry, upload your assets, and wow! All done! And no, this is not just an automation tool. It's an agency right at your fingertips. Brand not looking right? Our team of specialists will get you a new brand in days. Not sure how to promote your business? No worries, we will get you everything you need. Already have nice materials designed elsewhere? Bring them in. Import designs from Adobe, Figma, and Canva and edit them as you like. But there's more. We give you instant access to millions of images. Looking for a dog eating ice cream? We've got an image for that. Designs ready? Time to share with the world. Schedule your posts to appear on your social media channels and get professionally printed materials delivered to your door. With Desygner, you can supercharge your content and build a successful brand. Get started today.